Huh? What's that? What? What? Oh, yeah? Really? Really? Is that the point where the little birdie told me, Sonny? The little birdie told me that? What else happened? That's real interesting. Now, what else happened with the kitty cat? Can you tell me? What happened to that putty cat? Hurry up, honey. What happened to that putty cat? Huh? Don't just sit there and look at yourself. Talk. You're on film. Go ahead, talk. Ah, we're going to be stubborn, huh? Well, I can tell you about what another birdie told me, Sonny. Well, another birdie told me something about you. Ooh. You got birdies flocking by you, Sonny? Huh? What'd you do, rob a bank? Did you rob a bank, Sonny? Sonny robbed a bank. Police came and everything looking for you, Sonny. Oh, did you have a couple accomplices with you? My bird Sonny robbed a bank. Did you rob a bank, Sonny? He didn't really rob a bank. I want to see what he would say about it. I want to see what you had to say about it, Sonny. All right, anyway, bye. Bye.